What's up guys? Atemeta here. So welcome to Atemeta's Transformers TCG Hub. So tonight, what we're going to do is we will be opening a package here, no, na sponsored by TransformersTCG.org. So this would be the supports from, I don't know, probably wave 6, 7, 8, since yung 9 is ongoing pa. So again guys, Transformers TCG is not yet dead. It's still ongoing, though unsupported by Wizard of the Coast, which was the original paano ba tawag doon? Like producer ng game, and Hasbro. No worries, Hasbro is still tawag dito, watching over the community. And I do hope at some point, since nag-e-effort naman yung mga organizations na ituloy yung game, Hasbro would take over soon, and then, you know, makakuha tayo ng mga mas maayos na tournament soon. So now, natin patagalin, this is the pack from, you know, kita-kita nyo pa naman saan siya galing. This is from 1425, anyways, kung ano natin basahin yung ano. So galing pa siyang San Francisco, California. So shoutout sa iyo, Sir Bilmo, and on to the rest of the Transformers TCG org. So yeah, okay, open na natin siya. Roll tayo ng pair of scissors. So medyo ano pa yung gunting natin, wait lang. Okay, hopefully maganda yung makakuha natin dito, no, para makita nyo kung ano. Ooh, hindi ako napakita sa inyo, pero mukhang maastigan tayo dito, no? Right? Yeah, there's a lot of copies. There are a couple of copies, no? Hindi lang siya isa. Actually, it's a couple of, yeah, I think you would love this, guys. You would love this. And I will be making use of this to continue the campaign ng game natin. Okay. For the first thing that the org has shared with us, I'm seeing here character cards. Okay, so character cards, yan. Let me just unwrap it. Character cards. Let's see. Ooh, ang daming Night Racer. Okay. Okay, guys. Meron tayong Night Racer and General Gearnik. So actually like 7 copies, I think. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So meron tayong 8 copies ng General Gearik. Hindi pala Gearnik. Gearik. Okay. Tanggalin ko lang sa top loader, no? Yeah. So we have like this. And meron din tayong 8 Night Racer. So yeah, meron tayong Night Racer and meron tayong General Gearik. So kunting ano lang, information lang kay General Gearik. So yan, medyo maliwanag kasi, no? Enemies have -1 health during your turn. When this attacks, choose an enemy. This gets bold and pierce until end of turn, equal to the number of battle icons on that enemy's utilities. Then scrap a utility from that enemy. So probably parang anti ano siya, no, yung mga gumagamit ng Matrix of Leadership. Yeah, probably Matrix of Leadership yung parang pinaka-target na, since Matrix of Leadership has 2 battle icons, no, sa kanyang utility, since utility ang Matrix. And then I don't think so kung may transformation part siya. Yeah, wala. So yung back card niya, guys, is the campaign card, no? So you can scan this to visit the website, which is the TransformersTCG.org, and then marami kayong malalaman doon. Alright, so I expect na malaki to si Gearik, no? Si General Gearik, pero yeah, maliit lang pala siya. So that's it. Leader, range, and green. Baka magulat kayo, no? Kasi ngayon lang nakakita ng green. Ang green sa ating game ay Quintessons, no? Quintessons yan. So it's not Autobot, it's not Decepticon, it's not Mercenary. This is the brand new. Actually 5 na ngayon kasi merong Junkie on. So this is just the Quintessons. Okay, forward we have Night Racer. I'm not sure kung meron ng naunang version ni Night Racer before, but this is actually, yun pala, no? This is from Wave 6. So, you can see, Wave 6 siya. And then, Night Racer here is from Wave 9. So, nakita nyo naman, no? Updated tayo, may Wave 9. So, may Wave 7, Wave 8, may Wave 9. We'll try and check that later. I think dun sa isang hawak ko dito natin siya makikita. So, Night Racer. Alt mode, car, range. Yan ang kanyang stats, 311-2. Okay na siya for 5 star. Actually, napaka-solid niya para sa 5 star. 11 HP, 2 defense, 3 attack. Not bad. Halos kapantay niya na yung mga ibang cards na 6, 7 stars. Probably 8 stars pa nga kung pangit yung stats, no? Then, ano niya? Well, have a face down or face up secret action, each per character has top 1. So, basically, if, paano ba? Scenario like blue deck, yung nagsiset ng mga hidden fortification, kahit ano, ayan, mas lalakas sila. So, let's say, kunyari, meron kang Flame War, and then you have Skydive on the team, let's say, ganun, tapos Night Racer ka pa, kung nag-set ka ng isang card na secret action, sobrang kunat ng mga characters mo. Okay. So other part, we have the bot mode. So bot mode niya, I'm not sure kung kita kasi masyadong makintab, no? Especially naka-on yung ating flashlight. But yeah, bot mode. Ang effect naman niya, while you have a face down or face up secret action, each of your characters has bold 1 naman. So bold giver siya. Solid, di ba? Okay. And then, nung kinagandahan yan, baka magtaka kayo, what's the meaning of the face up or face up secret action? I'm not quite sure on how it works, but probably kung aware kayo noon sa bagong set ng cards, we have what we call rolling actions para silang secret action. I'm not quite sure if take effect sa rito since para siyang secret action, however, they are being placed on the field face up. So, tawag doon is rolling action. So, yeah, mamaya may papakita ko sa inyo, we have rolling actions. So, yeah, ito na yung ating characters, Night Racer and General Gyrick. So, sa mga gustong makakuha ng card na to for free, just kindly drop by on our shop. Actually, hindi namin shop, no? Nakikirent lang kami doon sa Black Scoop Cafe, Shaw Boulevard. Along EDSA lang naman siya, malapit siya sa PCSO. And then, on to our last thing here that I would say na matutuwa kayo is what we call the Jump Starter Set. Yeah, we have the Jump Starter Set. This is a 2024 issue from them. It contains a lot of cards. Actually, these are the cards. Yung laman nito ay yung mga cards na replacement cards that we call, because we have a recent ban list. Tinanggal dun yung mga OP na cards. Actually, yung mga usual na ginagamit natin like what you call this one, Peace to Tyranny, yeah, Security Checkpoint, yeah, yun mga usually na tinanggal. So, siguro for just the sake of curiosity at baka para makita nyo kung anong laman nito, let's try and open one, no? Yan, nakikita naman kayo, meron na tayong Summon Sky Shadow dyan. So, ayun ang una ko pakita, Summon Sky Shadow, kasi yung previous card ni Sky Shadow, I think it got banned kasi sobrang OP ni Sky Shadow. Wait lang, ito lang natin. Alright, I think I got it, na buksan ko siya. So yeah, we have the Jump Starter Set. So yun, as I mentioned earlier, we have the ban list. Nandito siya. So, you know, allowed sets naman is from Wave 1 up to Wave 8 so far with all the goodies packs and Jump Starter packs tulad nito. May mga band card. We no longer have the Multi-Mission Gears, Pop Parts, Daring Escape, Sergeant Springer, Special Ops, Aerial Defense, so si yung Triple Changer na Springer, Decepticon Quake, si Fangry, si Horrible, saka si Kreb. Usually, they are the Wave 5 character cards head and body kasi medyo OP yung mga cards na yan. We no longer need to talk about the effects pero sobrang ganda kasi nila. So, they turn the tides when it comes to the game. So, kaya pinagbaban, no, para walang masyadong ano. Kasi napaka-OP. I think lalo na yung mga head, napakababa ng cost nila, tapos yung mga dagdag ata HP, Pierce, whatsoever. So yeah, so we replaced cards. Again, we have Press the Advantage. So ito yung may green and red, green and orange na card. It's turned or it changed to United Against Tyranny. Security Checkpoint, pinalitan ng Lie in Wait. Peace through Tyranny, pinalitan ng Take the Shot. Mission Briefing, pinalitan ng Hand of Adaptus. Fusion Borer, pinalitan ng Mecha Star. Belligerence, naging Bellicosity. Itong Sky Shadow Sync, pinalitan ng Summon Sky Shadow. And then, Impetus Stand becomes Debilitate. So, yeah. Ito yung list and breakdown niya. And then, as you can see, unlike the original card back na nakita natin yung Transformers words dyan and meron silang sarili nilang card back, which the tftcg.org. tftcg.org, yeah. So, let's start with the first card na nakita nyo, which is the Summon Sky Shadow. Stratagem, 3-star, medyo mabigat, pero the good thing here is that when your Sky Shadow, either the tank or the plane is KO'd and you have Ominous outside the game, so actually yung head niya, si Ominous, combine them into Sky Shadow. Okay, Lit Warrior with Ominous in head mode. So yeah. And the good thing there is, guys, yung mga stratagem pala nila na ginagawa, they no longer make use na ito yung back. No? Ginagawa nila sa stratagem is they have the full card art at the back of the card. So, yeah. Diba? Sheesh. On to our next card, we have Bellicosity. So, ito yung sa mga magagandang card. Choose one of your characters. The first time it attacks this turn and you flip battle cards, each blue, either player flips this battle is an orange instead. So, napaka-solid nito gamitin lalo na para sa mga orange decks na lumalaban against blue decks. So, actually, pinalitan niya ay as mentioned, yung Belligerence. Kasi si Belligerence, buong turn, basta may battle na nagaganap, no? Buong turn, let's say, tatlo pa yung untap sa akin, kalaban ko wala ng untap na characters. Pag inactivate ko yung Belligerence, lahat ng madadrive check or mapiflip ng character na blue, magiging orange lahat. So, basag ka talaga doon kung blue deck ka. So, we got like 3 copies of it here. And then, we have Debilitate. So, kung naalala nyo, meron tayong Disarm, right? Meron tayong Disarm, which is return lahat ng upgrade to its owner to target lang ng isang character, bounce lahat ng niya. Ito ang mas masaklap kasi return an enemy upgrade to its owner's hand. Yeah. So, para lang siyang, kung meron tayong, tawag dito, kung meron tayong Vaporize and Ramming Speed, ito naman, pinapabounce lang niya. But ang good thing there is that it's a white icon, no? White icon siya. Ang pinalitan niya is yung, let's see, Bellicosity, Debilitate, yung Impetus Stand. Kasi yung Impetus Stand, I think meron siyang green battle icon, which is, pag may green battle icon, mas madali siya atakin. Yeah. Not quite sure there. And then we have the Hand of Adaptus. Ito yung pinalitan niya yung Mission Briefing. Kasi Mission Briefing is bubunot ka ng cards din. Actually, mas marami kang magbubunot doon. Pero dito, binago nila. Ginawa na lang na draw a card for each character you have on the battlefield in bot mode or body mode that has an alt mode. Kasi I think, not quite sure din, pero parang ang pagkaalam ko, yung Mission Briefing is kahit siguro tepok na yung character mo, bunot ka pa din, no? Yeah, so we got 3. Then next, we have Lie in Wait. Ito na yung sabi yung what we call a rolling action. Play this card as tapped. No, tap siya. Kung pag-play mo siya, instead of playing it face down like the usual secret action, you play it tap. Yeah, tap pala yan, tap. And then, untap it at the beginning of your turn. This is scrapped until the end of that turn. End of that turn. At end of turns. Diba? Di siya natatanggal. So, dyan lang siya. Kung ayaw mong gamitin, di ganyan lang siya. Pero, may ability sila kasi na when one of your character depends, yun, scrap mo siya. When this is scrap, the defender gets top 1 until end of your turn. Yun lang. Yun lang yung ginagawa nila actually. Pero the good thing here is that it has 2 blue pip battle icons. So again, ang pinalitan nito is yung what we call the security checkpoint, which has 2 blue pips. So ito 2 blue pips din siya. Next, we have Mecha Star. Ang pinalitan nito is yung Fusion Borer. So parang lesser version lang siya ng Fusion Borer. So, instead of the higher pierce and attack, ginawa lang siyang pierce 2 and plus 2 attack. Yep. So, the good thing there is that binabaan lang siya. Kasi para lang siyang isip niyo lang siya para siyang crowbar na may na may piercing blaster. Tapos natatanggal siya. So, crowbar or grenade launcher pagtas matay, di ba natatanggal. The fusion borer, I think it has pierce 3 and attack 3. So, medyo mahap din. Kumbaga, pasok agad yung damage na talaga. Kaya pinalitan. And then we have take the shot, which replace pace through tyranny. This is just like the lie in wait. Ganun lang din. Kaso naman, ini-scrap siya when your character attacks. So it gets bold 1 till end of turn. So yun lang. Yeah, take a shot. Then last card we have here is the United Against Tyranny. Again, pinalitan niya yung press the advantage kasi may green battle icon. Madali lang kasi makuha yon. And then, napaka-advantageous na card nito when it comes to Autobot decks. Since if you have an Autobot, gets to attack. Then, choose an enemy pag Decepticon, minus 2 defense. So, yeah. So, again, this is it. Fun set. We have the starter set. We have the General Garrick. Meron tayong 8. No, 8. Yeah, we have 8 of it. Night Racer, 8 din. Yeah, we have 8. And then we have, this is 1. And then 6 more here na ma-acquire nyo lang when you play, of course, tournaments with us. Kailangan yung maglaro para makuha to, siyempre, of course. We will be like, siguro ang gagawin ko dito, probably, when you become the champion of the certain tournament, you'll get a jump starter deck. Kasi isa lang na ito, guys. Actually, isa lang yan makuha mo. Paldo ka na kasi nandyan na lahat nung mga kailangan mo. You will be able to play it already and upgrade your deck then. So, yep. That's all for this day. Right. So again, thank you transformerstcg.org for sharing this supports that we got here. Napaka-solid. So, shout out to again Sir Bilmo, kay Evangelus, kay there's a lot more dun sa kanilang team nasa Discord. So, we'll be playing soon. You will be seeing these cards soon. So, kindly just drop by and visit us on our gaming spot. Right now, again, we are at Black Scoop Cafe, Shaw Boulevard. Napakadali lang pumunta. If you would be taking the ride to MRT, just drop by Shaw Boulevard. Walking distance lang siya. Right past PCSO, and then you'll be able to get there already. So, ayun lang. Again, Transformers TCG is not yet dead. It's still ongoing. We are still playing it, and we've got a lot of supports coming. So, stay tuned. And again, we are here. We are waiting till all are one.